Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name's Chris. I'm a videographer, photographer, and YouTuber, and I haven't used that intro for about a year, but nevertheless, I'm here to talk to you about a really exciting new piece of software I've discovered. I get asked pretty much on a weekly basis, hey Chris, do you know of any good editing alternatives to Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve? They look like amazing pieces of software, but they're just too complicated for my needs, or they cost too much money. Well, in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about one alternative that I found and I think does a really good job if you're looking for a simple, easy to use piece of software to make simple cuts, stick clips together, add music, upload to your desired platform. It's called Wondershare UniConverter, and I've been using it for the past couple of days to get grips with it. If you're new to content creation or video editing, then this is a really nice place to start. There's a free version of Wondershare UniConverter, so if you want to try it out, go to the link in the video description, which will take you to the free download. Just to put this into perspective, if you were going to buy Adobe Premiere, it would cost you just over $20 a month, and you can actually pick up Wondershare UniConverter for a one-time fee of $55. And I'm not saying this piece of software completely replaces Premiere Pro. It doesn't. What I am saying is if you're new to making videos and Premiere Pro seems a bit daunting and expensive, then this would be a very good alternative. Let's jump onto the computer and I'll run you through every feature of UniConverter has to offer so that you can make your own mind up. To start with, I think the design of this piece of software is simple and easy to use. Down the left-hand side, you have all the different tools available to you. For this video, I'm going to concentrate on the video editor, but I will touch on some of the other features because I think they're important as well. Once you're in the video editor tab, you can see that you can trim clips, watermark the whole video, crop and add effects, add subtitles, and adjust the audio. We're going to start off by trimming a couple of clips, so click Trim, navigate to the file that you want to trim. I'm going to use a little bit of B-roll from a recent video I did. Once you've got that selected, it'll bring up the editor where you can scrub through your clip. You can play the whole segment of that clip. You can cut the clip into different sections, delete part of the sequence, and using the merge into one file, you can essentially glue these sections back together. You can also make fine adjustments to these clips by grabbing these little sliders and sliding them backwards and forwards. On the right hand side, you have a zoom button for zooming in and out of your timeline. In the middle, you have a trim button, a delete button, and a reset button. So if you make a mistake and you want to start over, you just press that reset button and it'll take you back to the original clip. Once you're happy, just press the merge into one file and press OK. Now using the button in the top left, I'm going to add a few more files to the same project. You can add multiple files at the same time by holding Control on a PC or Command on a Mac. If you want to go in and make fine adjustments on the fly, you can press this button here. Here we can crop the video if we want to, we can add an effect. There's a couple of interesting effects on here. We can adjust the audio, so if you've got unwanted audio playing in the background, you can just bring that right down. You can actually add a watermark to your video in either text format or using a logo. So when I was recording this B-roll, I was actually listening to Linus Tech Tips at the same time, so I brought down the audio volume of this video track. I'm actually going to apply this to all the videos in my project. Once you're finished and you're happy with the order that your clips are in, all you need to do is click the Merge All Files and press Start All, and then the finished file will appear in your finished video section. Another powerful feature of this software is a video downloader. So you can actually copy a YouTube link and paste it into UniConverter, and then it'll ask you what size video you want. Do you want the YouTube thumbnail? And then you just press download and it'll start downloading that video for you. This is especially useful for me when I'm making my YouTube videos. It means I can download my old content really quickly without having to look for the source file and use that in my current project. I've tested this out a bunch of times and it seems to cope with any link that I throw at it. Another great feature is that it has a built-in screen recorder. You just click on the screen recorder and it will bring up this window. In here you can either select full screen or you can have a custom size screen recording. You can record the system audio, you can record with your microphone, and you can even add a little webcam box at the bottom of this window. This is a great tool to be included for any content creator. Other features that are included are a video and audio converter. So if you ever need a video in a specific format, then UniConverter definitely has you covered. It can convert a video to MP4, MOV, MKV, AVI, WMV, and a bunch more. It also has a DVD burner. Not something I'm going to use. I can't remember the last time I had a DVD, but it's nice that it's included. And it also has a toolbox full of fun little extras. And there you go. If you're looking for a perfect little package to get you up and running, making content today, then check out UniConverter. Like I said, there's a link in the video description where you can try it absolutely free. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it answers some of the questions that I've had. If you've got any questions, feel free to head over to my new Facebook group. There's a link in the video description. You can ask me questions, you can request videos, and you can essentially become part of the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again really soon.